Here we go.
Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you two gadgets. One is mobile holder and another is lazy neck holder, and this is help you to make your YouTube videos, and this is help watch YouTube videos and other movies comfortably, and it turns into landscape mode and portrait mode also. I'll show you how to insert your mobile, and you can insert your mobile like this, and you can change the shape of the stand into different types, and you can use it as you're comfortable, and it turns into 360 degrees. You can turn left, right, up and down, and it uses in portrait mode also, and you can watch like this without holding mobile by putting it aside like this. And you can change the shape of the stand also. You can remove the button, and when you insert your mobile, after that you have to tie it up tightly, and you can wear this neck holder like this without holding your mobile. And when you hold your mobile, you will feel pain. So by using this gadget, you can easily and comfortably watch anything and use your mobile at landscape mode and portrait mode also. So like this you can use this gadget. And next, it is a mobile holder for making your YouTube videos without holding your mobile. And it's also, we can change the shape of this mobile holder, and insert your mobile holder in this clip like this, and downside clip help you to hold the pad or anything on the ground. So this clip you have to attach anywhere for your pads and another any tables. I'll show you some of pictures of these two gadgets. The mobile holder, you can make YouTube videos by like this, and lazy neck holder you can use like this, and it is used for when you are sleeping also like this. You can watch, and both are at a reasonable cost, and both are at 199 rupees. I don't know when the price was changed, so buy soon. If you want buy, I have given link in description. You can buy from there, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share to your family members and friends. And if you have any doubts, comments. Thank you.